some exciting things to unpack today. Fashionary is releasing their updated sketchbooks and they've sent me a lovely set to review. Last year they released the Textilepedia, which I find super helpful. It's a really good resource book with everything you need to know about fabric. And this cover, you guys, it feels so nice. It's like a linen cover and it's so textured and lovely. So when I checked out their previews of this new set of sketchbooks, it's sort of similar and I'm very excited to take a look at it. So let's get started. So this is it right here. This is the package they sent me. So I'm gonna take my little scissors and I'm gonna, actually, I don't even need scissors because, let's just put this around. I've got this fancy packaging. I think I should just open up like so. I just love the way they package their stuff. So you put that aside. We'll recycle that later. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, it's got this little bow. Okay, shall we do the honors? Oh, yes. Sorry for the rustling sounds, but it's just so satisfying. Okay. So they're very consistent with their packaging. Oh, little personal note. So first of all, it says, "Dear Brittany, we are thrilled to present you our new and improved Atelier sketchbook and memo pad collection. We hope they could embrace your design and drawing experience. Enjoy." So that's really nice. And guys, look at this nice little cotton cover here. And this is a nice keepsake as well. So I believe there's two in here. So what do we got here? We've got the memo pad, which looks like it's a third A4, 360 pages. Check out the back there. 360 templates, tailor-made for fashion designers. Lets you design your collections with ease and flexibility. The dozens of figure and technical templates can also help you improve productivity and efficiency, which is sort of what they're all about. They make it really easy to, oh yeah, I can see the cover. Oh, I so want to open these. Take a look at this one. This is the women's A5. Everything has like this intro little dictionary to their sketchbooks. Oh yes, let's see if I can carefully crack this guy open. This is why we have nails and scissors. I don't want to scratch it. And it is an off-white, which is nice. You can see it contrasting with my table. Which is good because I would probably get this dirty. And it looks very flexible. Apparently these covers are made in the US. Let's go with the back first. You get the token Fashionary bookmark. And oh yeah, I like how they're kind of lay flat design, and like even the cover is very flexible. That's different to anything they've done before. And you've kind of got these natural little flaws in the linen cover. Actually, yeah, it's pretty flexible but durable. Yeah, this is awesome. And it has like a little ribbon bookmark, and yeah, they've got the templates. I don't know, can you see? Yeah, you can see that. Very pretty. So this is the basic size of it here, up against myself, just very plain. I really like the sleek look of it all. So this is the This is the A5. I'm gonna put that one back. Let's open up, go in through here, I think. And hopefully get my nail in there without breaking my nail. Staticky. Whoa. Get off plastic. Ah! Okay. So we got our little, ooh, I like this. It sort of opens up. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's definitely like a memo pad. Oh, I dig this. So they're all individual. Front and on the back here, you can see that very lightly. One is a flat drawing and one is a figure template. Very lightly, but I can still see them in good light. You know, they have to be kind of light to see. But yeah, that's very nice. See, guys, little memo pad. So that's how big it is, but it's 1/3 of an A4. So again, same nice cover. And I think I find this very useful, you know, like if I don't want to do a whole collection right away, or if I'm doing like quick ideas, just do one of these up and like put it on a bulletin board and just lay it all out and figure out your collection. I am definitely gonna get use out of this. That is really fun. And the paper is really, really kind of thin and like tracing paper almost, but very nice, very nice. So I'm gonna have to test these out. Yeah, I really like how you can see how thin the paper is there. Very cool. Let's do a quick sketch maybe. That would be kind of fun. Well guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you've enjoyed my little review and sampling of the new Fashionary Atelier memo pad and sketchbook editions. I really love the look of them and the feel of them too. If you want to get your own copy, you can go to fashionary.org and use my code Threadora10 for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you next time, and happy sewing.